Making doctor's appointment.
Hello, can I help you?
Yes, I'd like an appointment.
Is it for today?
Yes, if possible.
What seems to be wrong?
I have a sore throat.
Do you have a fever?
Yes, since yesterday.
The doctor is available.
That's great news.
Morning or afternoon appointment.
This afternoon, please.
2 o'clock is available.
That works for me.
May I have your name?
Emily Carter, please.
Thank you. One moment.
I hope everything is ready.
Your appointment is confirmed.
Thank you very much.
Please arrive 15 minutes early.
Okay, I will.
Don't forget your ID.
I'll bring it.
Wait, that's your library card.
Oh, I grabbed the wrong one.
Your ID is behind it.
Thanks for noticing.
We'll see you this afternoon.
Thank you. Have a nice day. Speaking English in New York.
Hello. Are you visiting New York?
Yes, it's my first visit.
How do you like it?
It's exciting, but very busy.
Are people helpful here?
Yes, everyone is kind.
Have you practiced English today?
Yes, at a coffee shop.
That's a great start.
I felt more confident.
Did you ask for directions?
Yes, near Times Square.
Did people understand you?
Yes, they spoke slowly.
That's very helpful.
It made me comfortable.
What's your next stop?
I'm thinking Central Park.
You'll enjoy walking there.
I can't wait.
Keep speaking English everywhere.
I'll practice every day.
You're becoming more confident.
I'm trying my best.
Wait, that's the wrong subway entrance.
Oh, I almost went downstairs.
Your entrance is across the street.
Thanks for helping me again.
Enjoy your time in New York.
Thank you. Have a wonderful day. The perfect jacket.
Hello, can I help you?
Yes, I'm looking for a jacket.
What style do you like?
Something warm and comfortable.
This jacket is very popular.
I like the color.
What size do you wear?
Medium, I think.
Please try this one.
I'll try it now.
How does it feel?
It's a little tight.
Try one size larger.
This fits much better.
Would you like another color?
Yes, maybe dark blue.
Here's the blue jacket.
This is perfect.
The price is $70.
That's within my budget.
Would you like to buy it?
Yes, I'll take it.
Please pay at the counter.
Thank you very much.
Wait, that's your old jacket.
Oh, I almost wore it home.
Your new one is in the bag.
Thanks for catching that.
Enjoy your new jacket.
Thank you. Have a great day. A new friend in the coffee shop.
Hello, is this seat free?
Yes, please sit here.
Thank you. I'm James.
Hi, I'm Emily.
Do you come here often?
Sometimes, after work.
The coffee is excellent.
I really like it.
What are you drinking?
A vanilla latte today.
That's my favorite too.
Really? That's funny.
Are you visiting Seattle?
Yes, for 1 week.
Have you seen the waterfront?
Not yet.
You should visit tomorrow.
That's a great idea.
Do you enjoy meeting new people?
Yes, but I'm shy.
Don't worry, you're doing great.
Thank you very much.
Would you like another coffee?
No, I'm fine.
Wait, that's my coffee.
Oh, our cups look identical.
Mine has extra sugar.
Good thing you noticed.
It was nice meeting you.
Nice meeting you too. At the shoe store.
Hello. Welcome to our shoe store.
Hi, I'm looking for new shoes.
What kind do you need?
Comfortable shoes for walking.
These sneakers are very popular.
They look nice.
What size do you wear?
Size 8, I think.
Please try this pair.
I'll try them now.
How do they feel?
They're a little tight.
Try one size larger.
These feel much better.
Would you like another color?
Yes, maybe white.
Here's the white pair.
I like these more.
The price is $60.
That's within my budget.
Would you like to buy them?
Yes, I'll take them.
Please pay at the counter.
Thank you very much.
Wait, you're wearing the display shoe.
Oh, I didn't notice.
Your new pair is in the box.
Thanks for stopping me.
Enjoy your new shoes.
Thank you. Have a great day. At the car wash.
Hello. Welcome to our car wash.
Hi, I'd like my car washed.
Which wash would you like?
The standard wash, please.
It includes soap and wax.
That sounds good.
Would you like tire cleaning?
Yes, please add it.
No problem.
Thank you very much.
Please leave your keys here.
Okay, here they are.
The wash takes 15 minutes.
I'll wait inside.
Would you like a free coffee?
Yes, thank you.
The waiting area is over there.
It's very comfortable.
Your car is almost ready.
Great, I'll be there.
Everything looks clean now.
It looks amazing.
Your total is $18.
I'll pay by card.
Wait, those aren't your keys.
Oh, they look the same.
Yours have the red keychain.
Thanks for catching that.
Drive safely.
Thank you. Have a wonderful day. At the flower shop.
Hello. Welcome to our flower shop.
Hi, I'd like to buy flowers.
What is the occasion?
It's my mother's birthday.
Roses are very popular.
She loves colorful flowers.
How about mixed flowers?
That sounds perfect.
Would you like a small bouquet?
A medium one, please.
Would you like a greeting card?
Yes, that's a good idea.
I'll add one for you.
Thank you very much.
Would you like gift wrapping?
Yes, please wrap it nicely.
It will look beautiful.
She'll really love it.
Your total is $25.
I'll pay by card.
Your payment is approved.
Thanks, I appreciate it.
Here's your bouquet.
It looks wonderful.
Wait, that's another customer's flowers.
Oh, the bouquets look alike.
Yours has the blue ribbon.
Thanks for noticing.
Have a wonderful celebration.
Thank you. Have a great day. Getting new glasses.
Hello. Welcome to our optical store.
Hi, I need new glasses.
Is this your first pair?
No, my old pair broke.
Do you have your prescription?
Yes, it's right here.
Thank you. I'll check it.
Great, thanks.
Would you like metal frames?
Yes, they're very light.
Please try these frames.
They feel comfortable.
How do they look?
I really like them.
Would you like blue frames?
No, black looks better.
That's a popular choice.
I'll take these.
Would you like an anti-glare coating?
Yes, please add it.
Your glasses will be ready tomorrow.
Thank you very much.
Your total is $100.
I'll pay by card.
Wait, those are your old glasses.
Oh, I almost took them.
Your new pair arrives tomorrow.
Good thing you noticed.
Just see you tomorrow.
Thank you. Have a great day. At the electronics repair shop.
Hello. Welcome to our repair shop.
Hi, my phone isn't working.
What seems to be wrong?
The screen is completely black.
Did you drop it?
Yes, yesterday afternoon.
Does it still charge?
Yes, I think so.
Let me check it.
I hope it's repairable.
The screen needs replacing.
That's better than expected.
Would you like the repair today?
Yes, I need it today.
It will take 1 hour.
That's perfect.
May I have your name?
Emily Carter, please.
I'll write it here.
Thank you very much.
Your repair costs $80.
I'll pay by card.
Your payment is approved.
Great, thank you.
Wait, that's another customer's phone.
Oh, they look exactly alike.
Yours has the blue case.
Thanks for catching that.
Enjoy using your phone.
Thank you. Have a wonderful day. At the community swimming pool.
Hello. Welcome to the swimming pool.
Hi, it's my first visit.
Have you been here before?
No, I haven't.
Do you have a day pass?
Not yet.
A day pass costs $10.
That's fine.
Would you like to rent a locker?
Yes, please.
Here's your locker key.
Thank you very much.
Do you need swimming goggles?
Yes, I forgot mine.
We sell them here.
Great, I'll buy a pair.
The changing rooms are downstairs.
Thanks, I'll go there.
Please shower before swimming.
Okay, I will.
The pool closes at 8.
That's plenty of time.
Enjoy your swim today.
I can't wait.
Wait, that's someone else's towel.
Oh, they look the same.
Yours has the green stripe.
Thanks for helping me.
Have a wonderful swim.
Thank you. Goodbye. At the car garage.
Hello. Welcome to our garage.
Hi. My car has a problem.
What seems to be wrong?
The engine makes strange noises.
When did it start?
This morning, on my way.
Is the warning light on?
Yes, it is.
We'll inspect it now.
Thank you very much.
Can you leave the keys?
Yes, here they are.
It may take 1 hour.
I'll wait here.
Would you like some coffee?
Yes, please.
The waiting area is inside.
Thanks, it's comfortable.
We found the problem.
Is it serious?
No, it needs a new battery.
That's good news.
The repair costs $90.
That's okay, please fix it.
Your car is ready now.
Oh, those aren't my keys.
Yours have the blue tag.
Thanks for catching that.
Drive safely.
Thank you. Have a great day. Changing breakfast plans.
Hello. Can I help you?
Yes, I need to change my plans.
What happened today?
My friends canceled our trip.
I'm sorry to hear that.
It's okay. Things happen.
When were you leaving?
Tomorrow morning.
Would you like another date?
Yes, next weekend, please.
Let me check availability.
I hope something is open.
Good news. Saturday is available.
That's perfect.
Would you like the same hotel?
Yes, please keep it.
I'll update your booking.
Thank you very much.
Do you need new tickets?
Yes, I do.
I'll print them now.
I appreciate your help.
Everything is ready.
Great, thanks.
Wait, these are your old tickets.
Oh, I almost packed them.
Here are the new ones.
Thanks for saving my trip.
Enjoy your vacation.
Thank you. Have a wonderful day. The locksmith.
Hello. Can I help you?
Yes, I need a locksmith.
What happened today?
I locked myself outside.
Do you have your keys?
No, they're inside.
Is this your home?
Yes, it is.
I can help you.
Thank you very much.
Do you have your ID?
Yes, it's in my wallet.
Please show it to me.
Here you are.
Thank you. Everything is fine.
That's good to hear.
I'll unlock the door now.
I hope it opens quickly.
It will take a minute.
Okay, I'll wait.
The lock is open now.
Thank you so much.
Please check your keys.
They're on the table.
Wait, this isn't your apartment.
Oh, I'm on the wrong floor.
Your apartment is upstairs.
That explains everything.
Let's try the right door.
Thank you. Have a great day. First time at the laundromat.
Hello, can I help you?
Yes, it's my first time here.
Have you used a laundromat before?
No, never.
I'll show you the machines.
Thank you very much.
Do you have detergent?
No, I need some.
You can buy it here.
That's very convenient.
Separate light and dark clothes.
Okay, I'll do that.
Please load the washer.
Is this enough clothes?
Yes, that's the right amount.
Great. What's next?
Choose the normal wash cycle.
I'll press this button.
Perfect. Now insert your card.
Like this, right?
Yes, exactly.
The machine has started.
It will finish in 30 minutes.
I'll wait inside.
Wait, that's someone else's laundry.
Oh, the baskets look identical.
Yours has the blue sticker.
Thanks for stopping me.
Enjoy the rest of your day.
Thank you. Goodbye. At the garden market.
Hello. Welcome to the garden market.
Hi, I'd like some plants.
What are you looking for?
Flowers for my garden.
These roses are very popular.
They're beautiful.
Do you need flower pots?
Yes, 2 small ones.
We have many sizes.
I'll take these.
Do you need garden soil?
Yes, 1 large bag.
This soil is excellent.
Great, I'll buy it.
Would you like a watering can?
Yes, a green one.
It matches your flower pots.
I like that color.
Your total is $35.
I'll pay by card.
Your payment is approved.
Thank you very much.
I'll carry the soil outside.
That would be helpful.
Wait, those are another customer's plants.
Oh, they look exactly alike.
Yours have the yellow tags.
Thanks for noticing.
Enjoy your new garden.
Thank you. Have a wonderful day.